So this is the CDC Models J68, which is mounted on a Hornby early chassis for the Terrier, early Terrier chassis. And then next to that I have the four-wheeler DNS kit from Wisbech Upwell, followed by its mate, the bogie Wisbech Upwell carriage with slightly different arrangement with the LNER style numbering, which I have to admit I should have put square in the middle of that panel and did not do because I didn't look at the pictures before I did it. And then next I have a very unusual item, which is a Trevor Charltion zinc body, zinc sides and ends, mounted on scratch built chassis and roof, followed by a Comet CCT, which I should move on a little bit there, which needs some work to bring couplings on, and a new chassis, because this chassis is actually bowed, as you can see. But it is a lovely little model, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to put the new etched brass chassis on that soon. Not a bad little train, I think, of character. At least I hope you would agree. And very much in keeping with my intentions on this layout.